Good morning. Today we will study the effect of temperature on rate of reaction. Normally it is observed that if temperature is increased by 10 degree, the rate of reaction becomes almost double. You know that for a reaction to be occur, the molecule must have a minimum energy that is called as threshold energy. That means we have to supply certain amount of energy in form of activation energy to the reactant molecules so that they can be converted into product. But what is happening here? Here it is observed that if temperature is increased by 10 degree, at that time the rate of reaction becomes almost double. Let us consider this graph. In this graph, the dark line represents the reaction taking place at T Kelvin. Suppose the temperature is 273. Okay, 273 K. In this case, you can see that this is activation energy. This is the energy which a reactant molecule must possess. If molecules have activation energy, then reactant will be changed into product. We have to supply certain amount of activation energy. Corresponding to this activation energy, the fraction of molecule is represented by dN by N. This is the fraction of molecule which has energy equal to activation energy. Now look at the red graph. This is a graph when temperature is increased by 10 degree. For example, the temperature is 273 plus 10, that is 283 K. In this case, if we consider activation energy at this point, you can extrapolate it, and when you touch the y-axis, you get the fraction of molecule, that is dN by N. You can observe that the fraction of molecules having energy equal to activation energy becomes almost double. Now more molecules have energy equal to activation energy, so such molecules will react together and they will form the product. Hence the fraction of molecule possessing energy equal to or greater than activation energy is increased, thus rate of reaction almost becomes double. Now we will discuss the effect of catalyst on rate of reaction. Catalyst is a substance which generally alters the rate of reaction without itself undergoing any chemical change at the end of reaction. कैटलिस्ट वो सब्सटेंस है जो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन को चेंज करेगा और एंड में रीजनरेट हो जाएगा. लेट अस कंसिडर here on one axis we have taken the potential energy, on other axis we have taken the progress of reaction. Here reactant is taken, here product is taken, and you see that the reactants when converted into product, it follows this pathway. This is the reaction which is carried out in absence of catalyst, and this much amount of energy is needed, that is the activation energy. But when catalyst is used, at that time the reaction pathway becomes different. You can see here the red line curve shows the reaction pathway in presence of catalyst. Here again you are having same reactant and same product, but you can see that activation energy in this case is reduced. That means whenever you use catalyst, at that time the reaction is proceed by some alternative pathway with lower activation energy. Hence, due to reduction in activation energy, the more and more reactants are formed, reaction becomes fast. Let us consider if A and B are two reactants and they are reacting with a catalyst, that is X. First of all, they will form an intermediate. In this case, weaker bonds are formed between A, B and X. Now intermediate breaks, it forms AB, that is product, and catalyst X is regenerated. So we can conclude that catalyst in this case alters the rate of reaction by lowering the activation energy. Thank you very much.